change is in the air. It's time to come out of the wilderness. God is doing new, unusual, and unexpected things in your life. Seasons can change in the spiritual realm as they do in the natural. It's time for those of you that have been in the wilderness, experiencing barrenness, despair, fear, frustration, and unfruitfulness in the former season, to boldly step with expectancy and rejoicing into this new season of productivity, new mercies, new beginnings, and the new blessings that God desires to make manifest in your life.